What's the meaning of Chattanooga? Chattanooga. Chattanooga.
Chattanooga. Chattanooga. Chattanooga is a city in the southeastern part of the United States, located in the state of Tennessee. The name Chattanooga comes from the Creek Indian word for rock rising to a point, which may refer to Lookout Mountain or the nearby Moccasin Bend. With a population of around 180,000 people, Chattanooga is a major transportation hub and economic center in the region. It is also known for its scenic beauty, outdoor recreation opportunities, and vibrant arts and culture scene.